the romaine lettuce that Grandma and Grandpa actually have been growing in our pond outside. There's Six, the Hawaiian six-lined wrasse that he's kind of a green and pink color. He has lines, that's why we call him Six. He has 6 lines that is his marking. Off to the right, you can see the two damsels. That's Abbott and Costello. And they've kind of been together from the very beginning. There's Gregory, the Pacific Coast damsel that he's chasing the fish. He used to be quite shy, but now he's gotten to be quite the bully. Coming out of the area there's puffer, our puffer fish. You know, those fish that when they actually are scared or threatened, they actually balloon themselves up to look like balloons, and that's why they're called puffer fish. But they are poisonous, so the other fish don't fiddle around with him too much. I think it's just kind of living amongst the marine world. They know who's poisonous and who's not. I don't know if you can see Popeye, the crab. He already started to maneuver the rocks. If you look closely down where there's that white coral where color is, and you see that kind of rock put in the back like a stone wall, that was actually done by the crab. And off to the right again, there's TJ, and he's trying to scare everybody away because he doesn't like anyone hanging out in his rocks and eating his supply of algae. So I think that's pretty much everybody there. Hope you enjoy the photos. Down in the bottom there's what they call the refugium. It actually helps as an additional filtration system. The plants that you see there, that's the infamous mangrove that in some states in the United States that it is illegal to plant them. But here in Hawaii, it helps. Going back to what Grandma was saying, when it gets to be overrun, that's when the State Department goes in and actually poisons the plants. This is kind of sad because the poison may actually be affecting our marine